Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In previous lecture we have discussed some questions of the exercise 3.1 and in today's lecture we will discuss the remaining questions of this exercise. Question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 order matrix whose elements are given by, let A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34 is the matrix of order 3 by 4. A11, A12, A13, A14 like this, these are the elements. We have to find the values of these elements. So first A11 is equal to I is 1, j is 1, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Its modulus is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. The next A12, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Its modulus is 1. So it is equal to 1 by 2. A13, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. I is 1, j is 3. 3 minus 3 plus 3, 0. 0 modulus is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. A14, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 1, plus 1, plus 1 modulus is 1, so 1 by 2. A21, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 modulus is 5, so 5 by 2. A22, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 modulus is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. A23, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 modulus is 3, so 3 divided by 2. A24, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 modulus is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. A31, 1 by 2 modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 1 is 8. Minus 8. Minus 8 modulus is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. A32, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 modulus is 7. So 7 divided by 2. A33 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 modulus is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. A 3 4 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 modulus is 5. So 5 by 2. So the required matrix of order 3 by 4 is A is equal to A11 is 1, A12 1 by 2, A13 0, A14 1 by 2, A21 5 by 2, A22 2, A23 3 by 2, A24 1, A31 4, A32 7 by 2, A33 3, A34 5 by 2 is the required answer. Now the second part, Aij is equal to I minus j. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34 is the matrix of order 3 by 4. We have to find the value of these elements. A11 is equal to I is 1, j is also 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. A12 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. A13 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A14 2 into 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. A21 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. A22 2 into 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. A23 2 into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. A24 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly, A31 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. A32 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. A33 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. A34 2 into 3 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So the required matrix A is equal to A11 is 1, A12 0, A13 minus 1, A14 minus 2, A21 3, A22 2, A23 1, A24 0, A31 5, A32 4, A33 3 and A34 2, which is the required answer. Now the next question, find the values of x, y, z from the following equations. Question number 6. The given matrix 4, 3, x 5 is equal to y 3, 1, 5. Two matrices are equal matrices, then by definition of the equal matrices, their corresponding elements are also equal. This implies 4 is equal to y, 3 is equal to 3, x is equal to 1, 5 is equal to 5. So the value of x and y is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 is the required answer. Second part. Similarly, if the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding values are also equal. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 6, 5 plus z is equal to 5, x into y is equal to 8. X into y is equal to 8. This implies y is equal to 8 by x. Putting the value of y in this equation x plus y, we have x plus 8 by x is equal to 6. Taking LCM, x as LCM, x square plus 8 is equal to 6. This implies x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. By factorization method, we have to factorize minus 6 as x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. Because the product of minus 4 and minus 2 is 8 and their sum is minus 4 and minus 2 is 6. Taking common x, x minus 4, taking common minus 2, we have x minus 4. Now, x minus 4 is common, x minus 4. In the first term, we have x and the second term we have minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, because we know that if the product of the two numbers is 0, then either one of them must be equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies either x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. Now, from this equation, we have 5 plus z is equal to 5. This implies z is equal to 0. So, x is 4. If x is 4, then y is equal to 6 minus x is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6 minus x is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So, either x is equal to 2, y is 4 and z is equal to 5, or x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 5 is the required answer. So, next part, two matrices are equal matrices, then their corresponding entries are also equal. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus z is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Equation 1, 2 and 3. Subtracting equation second from first, we have x plus y plus z minus x minus z is equal to 9 minus 5. Cancel x by x, z by z, we have y is equal to 4. Put y is equal to 4 in equation number 3. We have 4 plus z is equal to 7. This implies z is equal to 3. Put the value of z is equal to 3 in equation number 2. We have x plus 3 is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the required answer, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. The next question number 7. Find the values of a, b, c and d from the equation. Two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding entries are also equal. This implies a minus b is equal to minus 1, 2a minus b is equal to 0, equation 1 and equation 2. 2a plus c is equal to 5, equation 3rd. 3c plus d is equal to 13, equation 4th. From equation 1st and 2nd, we have subtracting equation 2nd from 1st. Subtracting 2nd from 1st, we have a minus b is equal to minus 1, 2a minus b is equal to 0. We have to subtract this, negative, positive, negative. Cancel b with b. We have minus a is equal to minus 1. This implies a is equal to 1. If a equal to 1, then by equation 1st, we have 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. This implies b is equal to 2. Putting the value of a is equal to 1 in equation number 3, put a is equal to 1 in 3. 2 into 1 plus c is equal to 5. This implies c is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Put c is equal to 3 in 4. We have 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. This implies d is equal to 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Hence, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, d is equal to 4 is required answer. Next, some objective questions based on this exercise. The first objective question, question number 8. A is equal to aij of order m by n is a square matrix. A is a square matrix, therefore number of rows and number of columns are equal. So the answer is C, m is equal to n. By the definition of the square matrix, we know a matrix is said to be a square matrix if number of row is equal to number of columns. So matrix Aij is equal to m into n is a square matrix, then it must be m is equal to n. Now question number 9. Which of the given value of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal? We have to solve. Two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding entries are also equal. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 7 by 3. And y minus 2 is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to 7. Now y plus 1 is equal to 8. This implies y is equal to 7. 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. This implies 3x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. So from this equation we have x is equal to minus 7 by 3. But from this equation x is equal to minus 2 by 3 as the different values. Therefore answer is not possible to find the root. B is our answer, because x have two different values in the same matrix, so it is not possible. So the next, the number of possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with entry 0 or 1. Total number of elements in the matrix are 3 by 3 is equal to 9. Now it is given that the entry either it may be 0 or it may be 1. So each entry have two possibilities. Either it may be 0 or it may be 1. So total possibilities are 2 into 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 2 9 times, that is 2 raised to power 9 is equal to 512. So D is our required answer. So I hope you enjoyed this class. In the next class we will discuss operation on matrices. So watch our videos, subscribe our channel for more and more videos on this topic. Thanks to all. Have a nice day. Good luck. Bye bye.